Hi, I'm John Stephen Golagbang, a proud tourism student, and today I'm inviting you to discover a hidden gem in the eastern part of the Philippines. Welcome to Eastern Samar, Calikuan. From the majestic shores of Calikuan Island in Duyan to golden sands of Borongan, Eastern Samar is a paradise for those who seek nature's raw beauty. Here, the waves call to surfers. Tinubo Islands surrounded by crystal clear water and peaceful shores. These islands offers the perfect escape from the busy world. Padulong Festival. This is the Padulong Festival, one of the most meaningful celebrations in Eastern Samar. It honors the legendary arrival of the image of Our Lady of Nativity in Borongan through dance, music, and devotion. We tell our story with pride. Every movement, every color is a tribute to our faith, culture, and community. This is our story. This is Eastern Samar. Banawan Falls. Banawan Falls, a quiet refreshing escape deep within nature. The sound of rushing water, the cool breeze, and the untouched forest around it make this place feel magical. It's not just a destination, it's a peaceful retreat where you can reconnect with nature and feel the calm of Eastern Samar. Borongan Cathedral. At the heart of Borongan City stands the Borongan Cathedral, majestic, historic, and sacred. As the seat of the Diocese of Borongan, it holds not just religious value. Canugas Nature Park. In Hernani is where nature shows its wild and beautiful side. Massive rock formations, crashing waves, and dramatic seascapes make this place unforgettable. From peaceful islands to powerful waterfalls, from sacred traditions to untouched landscape, Eastern Samar is more than just a destination. It's a home of beauty, culture, and connection. Every place tells a story, and every moment here leaves a mark on your heart. This is Eastern Samar, real and waiting for you to visit.